Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this family pocket EASEGMER GV300. I've already tested the GV400. GV400 is of course the top of the line. It works as an additional photo frame, as an alarm. It has a storage card where you can add pictures and your own games, and you can save your game stands. But apart from that, you get already everything here with this GV300 for a lower price. So this could be also a really interesting option for you or for your children. So this is what we get in the box. We get even this pin for the reset and this to open and close the controller or the battery compartment of the controller. You get this standard micro USB charging cable, what you can use every other micro USB cable. Then we get this AV adapter, which you can use to connect this console to your TV and then play there, because you get this wireless controller, so you can really nicely play on your TV with this controller. If your TV doesn't have AV ports, then you can buy an adapter from AV to HDMI for around $10 on Amazon or every other store. So to prepare, it's very easy. We plug this antenna in, but it's just plastic. Actually, it's just decoration. It's not needed, but it looks much better, of course, when we have it here. This button here on top, as far as I know, is also just decoration. Here we have the main controller, but before we can use it, we have to remove this protection here for the battery. When we open the compartment, we can see we have already batteries here inside, rechargeable batteries. So we remove the protection, close it again, and we do the same thing here with the controllers. That's really nice. We have everywhere, we have already rechargeable batteries, so you don't have to be worried about buying additional batteries. So you see, you get already great value already here. A lot of similar sets come without batteries, and the controls are really nice. They are much better than a lot of things which I have seen. What's important here, that we set the one to the left side on player 1, the other one on the right side for player 2. Now we have this blinking light, or it's off. When we want to turn on the controllers, we just push here on top and it goes into blinking. Then we start the console, we turn this thing to the right side and it goes into gaming mode, and we see the steady red light and also the steady red light here, and we know it's already connected. It's so easy to start with this thing, and everything comes already pre-charged, so you can use it right away wherever you want to use that. It's really nice. The main control here of this menu here is from the player 1. You can see that here we are on player 1. With the player 2 we can't do anything. Of course we can use it for gaming, but here in the main interface we are using the player 1. So as an example, let's start here with the Contra. We started with the start button here, and then we can choose either 1 or 2 players, but we cannot do that here. We have to do this here. With this menu button, you can see we can choose 1 player or 2 player here, and then we can start with 2 player with this game. It's also really nice that we can adjust the volume, sound volume, from nothing to really loud. So here you can see we have both of the players on one screen, and we can move individually left and right and help each other. So it's not only nice single player, but a really nice multiplayer too. So for some games we are against each other, and for some games we can help each other for nice team play and a lot of fun. When we want to end the game and go back to the main screen, we just push the menu button here. It's very easy. Usually there are absolutely no problems, very stable. I haven't seen any problems, but if there is some problem, we can reset it here with this pin on the right side. There's a reset button, so you can go up and down and choose whatever you want. If you want to scroll faster through these 108 games, you can go left and right. You can see how fast this is. And here at the bottom we have some additional settings here. When we click on the setting, we already have some settings, especially regarding the display here. What I have done, I have reduced the brightness to around 90, which I think is a much nicer picture than the maximum brightness. And we have also some other settings like contrast and RGB and these things. We have also then some settings in the clock menus. We turn it to the left side and then it goes into the clock mode, and then we have these settings here. When we push here, you can see we have language selection, time setting, font, color, screen off, time, restore defaults or exit. So we are back on the time. By the way, if you have it in the clock setting, after some time it goes into sleep, so you are not disturbed during your sleep. But when you want to see your time, you can just touch it a little bit and then it will wake up and show you the time for maybe 5 minutes or so and then go into sleep again. So overall, really nice set, I would say, especially for smaller children or as a beginner for retro games. It's a very stable, easy to use console, easy to use emulator, good controllers, really nice ones here. It has also these shoulder buttons. We have everything rechargeable, even the TV connection. Yeah, I think it is as good as it gets for this price range. And so if you're happy with 108 games, which is plenty, really a lot, I can give you full recommendation. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.